Hi, I'm Gary Crosby, Marketing Manager here at Crosby Volkswagen. We're reaching out because our records show that your Volkswagen's warranty is nearing its end, and we want to ensure you are aware of the options available to you. At Crosby Volkswagen, we believe in providing our customers with comprehensive service solutions tailored to their needs. As your factory warranty approaches its conclusion, you have the choice to let it expire or extend your coverage with our various extended warranty options. Why should you consider extending your warranty now? Firstly, you can avoid additional inspection costs. Vehicles with less than 5,000 kilometers or 3 months remaining on their original 4-year, 80,000 kilometer warranty require an inspection to qualify for extended coverage. This inspection typically takes about 1.5 hours and costs approximately $199 at our current shop rates. By opting for extended protection now, you can bypass this additional expense. You can have access to enhanced coverage at preferred rates. While your vehicle remains under its original warranty, we can offer new vehicle sales department rates. This means we can secure coverage for up to 10 years or 200,000 kilometers from your vehicle's in-service date at a more favorable cost. Once the original warranty expires, available coverage reduces to a maximum of 8 years or 160,000 kilometers from the in-service date, often at a higher price. We offer flexible coverage options. Our mechanical breakdown protection plans are designed to suit your various needs and budgets. For how long can we extend that coverage? Choose from 1 to 6 years of additional coverage beyond your standard 4-year warranty. How far can we extend that coverage? Extend your coverage by an additional 20,000 kilometers up to 120,000 kilometers. And what price range are we talking about? Plans range from $2,642 all the way up to $6,231, depending on your selected coverage. What happens if you let your warranty expire? If you decide not to extend your warranty now, you can still opt for protection later, provided your vehicle is no older than 10 model years and has less than 160,000 kilometers. However, as your vehicle ages and accumulates mileage, available coverage options may become more limited and potentially more expensive. We're here to assist you. At Crosby Volkswagen, our dedicated team is here to answer any questions you may have and to help you choose the best protection plan for your needs. Please feel free to contact us to discuss extending your vehicle's warranty or to learn more about our additional protection products. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to continuing to serve you. Drive safe.
Crosby Volkswagen.